Let's start the vlog. Myself, motivational speaker, leadership business coach, master trainer, language trainer, vlogger, novelist, Professor MA-Raza. And you are watching this particular vlog in English from Mentor English Professor MA-Raza.
کیا آپ نے کبھی سوچا بچوں کی تعلیم پر لاکھوں روپے خرچ کرنے کے بعد بھی اکثر والدین یہ شکوہ کیوں کرتے ہیں کہ بچے ان کا ادب نہیں کرتے؟ اس کی وجہ یہ ہے کہ زندگی گزارنے کے طور طریقے تو نصاب میں شامل ہی نہیں۔ اگر آپ ہزاروں روپے ماہانہ اسکول فیس جمع کروا کر بھی اپنے بچے کی تربیت سے مطمئن نہیں ہیں، اور اگر آپ کسی ایسی کتاب کی تلاش میں ہیں جسے پڑھ کر آپ کا بچہ سعادت مند بن جائے، تو اپنے بچے کو عبدالستار منہاجین کی کتاب 63 آداب زندگی تحفہ میں دیں، تاکہ وہ زندگی کے 63 مختلف پہلوؤں کے آداب جان سکے۔ بڑے سائز کے 304 صفحات پر مشتمل ہارڈ بائنڈنگ کے ساتھ کتاب کی اصل قیمت 1500 روپے ہے، جبکہ اس چینل کی وساطت سے خصوصی ڈسکاؤنٹ کے ساتھ گھر بیٹھے صرف 1200 روپے میں حاصل کرنے کے لیے واٹس ایپ نمبر 0327181779 پر رابطہ فرمائیں۔ نمبر دوبارہ نوٹ کر لیجئے، 0327181779
Before the event, first I want to share you some important clips. Before starting the event, we just entered to Central Secretariat MQI Minhaj-ul-Quran International, and we entered the gate, and all the security persons and all the reception persons well equipped, and they welcome us very groomily. And then we entered to the hall, and we saw that the director personally working with the dignitaries and checking all the equipments, checking all the treating, and checking all the instrumental issues, and checking and we have also discussed some important factors. And as you can see in the footage that all the staff is working like a team member, working like brothers. There was a keen brotherhood which I saw there. All the arrangements were doing particularly with all the persons, and the enthusiasm was particularly at peak. And as we can see in these videos, the director, respected Dr. Muhammad Farooq Rana, along with the dignitaries, and so let's talk to Dr. Farooq Rana.
قد جاءتكم موعظة من ربكم وشفاء لما في الصدور.
नजर गुंबद खजरा पे ठहर जाने दे।
जो हर्फ उलिल अफ में को सीखता है अब तक इस दौर में शायद वो हकीकत हो नमूदार। मैं आपके सामने
पेश जलवाए ज़मज़माए रज़ा क्यों, ज़मज़माए रज़ा क्यों, पूछते क्या हो।
After their particular tribute to Allah Hazrat, a performance report announced by Dr. Muhammad Farooq Rana, the director, Fareed Millat Research Institute, as you are watching in the footage particularly, and he is also, let's listen. Someone sent me the footage of Minaratul Salam, so I add it from my WhatsApp. So now after the particular after this particular report, respected distinguished guest Dr. Sarwar Hussain Naqshbandi, Director Hassan bin Sabit Research Center, Minhaj University, is offering a very beautiful poem in the highness of Dr. Hassan Mohayyudin Qadri, Chairman Supreme Council, MQI International.
यकसुई कहीं मुयसर नहीं आ रही थी, तन्हाई मुयसर नहीं आ रही थी। वो फिर यहाँ हाजिर हुआ, फिर इस लाइब्रेरी से भी इस्तेफादा किया, और सबसे बढ़कर वो जो यकसुई और तन्हाई मुयसर आई, और वो काम जो सालों से पेंडिंग था वो चंद महीनों में मुकम्मल हो गया, चंद हफ्तों में मुकम्मल हो गया। तो यहाँ के रूहानी फियूज़ व बरक़ात जो है वो समेटने का मुझे भी मौका मिला, इसलिए मैं आज की इस महफिल से महरूम नहीं होना चाहता था। एक ताज़ा नज़्म जो कही थी और उसके बारे में
दस्तरखान की खिदमत पर मामूल जितने आपके भाई और बहनें हैं, वो एक खिदमत पर मामूल या वो एक निस्बत से जुड़े। आप पर अल्लाह ने करम ये किया कि आपको मरजल बहरैन की मानिद दो निस्बतें बताई। एक निस्बत मुजद्दिद असर है और दूसरी निस्बत फरीद असर। और आप असरैन के दरमियान और दो निस्बतों के दरमियान और बहरैन के दरमियान आप बैनहुमा बरज़ख़ुन ला यबग़ियान का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं।
हमारे ये रहीम सिद्दीक साहब ये जो हर लम्हे जो है इस पूरे इंस्टीट्यूट का हर ख्याल रखते हैं, हद से भी ज़्यादा ख्याल रखते हैं, अदा करते हैं और उनके हवाले बहुत सब आपसे गुजारिश है ये काटने के लिए।
Then the cake cutting ceremony or the cake cutting session was going on, was held on in the session, and that was a very we can say that after the thought-provoking speech of Dr. Hassan Mohayyudin Qadri, this event was the main event which this program was inaugurated, and this program was created particularly, and this program was maintained for the celebration of 19th February, the Kite Day, the Youth Day of Pakistanis, and I got many selfies and many footages there. After this, the event was for high tea, and the high tea was celebrated, and high tea was attached with Bundu Khan special. I would like to say some sort of patties, and as you can see in the footage, so that was very brilliant. So we liked it very much. As you can listen the voice of Sir Abdustar Minhajian. The last but not least pack-up event, and at the end everything was in a moderated situation. There was no quarreling for the distribution of the high tea and Bundu Khan special patties and burgers. Everything was very cute, everything was very moderated. So I pay my tribute to pardon me, I pay my tribute to Fareed Millat Research Institute, and then we got some important selfies and with dignitaries, and you can see in these, and I'm very grateful to all the dignitaries. I'm very grateful to all the event managers. I'm very grateful to all the doctors and the MPhil scholars and the senior and junior scholars of Fareed Millat Research Institute, Darul Ifta, and Women League Darul Ifta and Research Institute, and library, and Abdul Jabbar librarian. So thank you very much for this particular watching, and this was my event. I have done all with all my enthusiastic efforts, and I was there after 16 years. We have got a meetup with my old buddies, with my old teachers, with my old fellows, with my old mentors, and so on. So let's pray for me, and must subscribe and hit the bell icon, and be ready for my next vlog, inshallah. The director of Fareed Millat Research Institute, along with some dignitaries of Fareed Millat Research Institute, including Zair al-Asnadi and respected Sheikh Sahab. And here are many balloons, and Hazur Sayyidi Shaykh al-Islam, along with their new books, the Minhaj-ul-Quran, Jihad Perception, and oops. And here are